Good morning. Very, very tired today. Woke up with a severe headache. But I forgot that I also grabbed this from Target last night. I just threw it in my purse to put away when I got home, and I just remembered about it. It's the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. I think it was like $8. I've been really wanting to try a lot of the e.l.f. skincare line. I feel like a lot of it is really affordable. But I thought I would just start out with this. It says it's clean and kind. What it does, it moisturizes and nourishes the skin, absorbs into the skin for a lightweight, never greasy feel. Skin types is dry, oily, in combination, so anybody can use it. The hero ingredients are the hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil, bilberry oil, and grapeseed oil. So, if I can get these two things off of here. There we go. Has a little pump. I actually really like this kind of packaging where it's like a squeezy tube with a pump. I know sometimes with like a foundation or tinted moisturizer that's in a tube like that, it can be annoying and difficult once it gets low, but I don't know, I still really like the packaging. This does feel really nice. It's not a super thin consistency. It's kind of thick. I don't know how to describe it. I don't detect any type of scent. Ooh, this feels really nice. I'll definitely be using this for a while. I'll probably maybe start using this during the day, just for now, and continue to use this at night and stuff. I feel like I can finish this pretty quickly because it's so small. It's only 1 fluid ounce, and I've already used quite a bit of it anyway, but I would like to finish this. This one is 2.53 fluid ounces. But yeah, I'm excited about that. I was just looking in my purse and I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I got this. I always try to like just browse at least the clearance section when I go to Target. I don't get to all the time, but they did have some makeup on clearance. I almost got this palette by, I think it's Beauty Bakery. It was a really cute palette, but then I was like, I don't need it. But it was just when I see clearance, you know, but I didn't need it. It's Christmas time. I'm just worried about finishing my shopping, but I really wanted a good moisturizer I could use during the day, at night, whenever, and I feel like that'll be a really good one, and it was inexpensive, so anyway, I'm gonna go take something for this headache, drink some water, and try to go from there. That way, once the headache goes away, maybe I can actually do something a little bit more fun today. So we'll see you in a little while. Ooh. I have a blush. It says Rebel. I think the shade is Teach Me. Oh, that's pretty. It's a little bit of a deeper shade. Let me see. Ooh, it has some glow to it. There's a little bit of shimmer, not glitter, but shimmer that will make this glow on the cheeks. I don't think, yeah, you won't be able to see the color very well in my lighting, but it's definitely really pretty. I don't plan on throwing makeup on today, but tomorrow I will test this out because this, I'm sure, will be really, really pretty. Just so you guys can see the color a little bit better. It's still hard to see like the color of the swatch, but you can see how it glows. And it looks sparkly on camera, but it's really not. It's just a nice glowy sheen. I'm really excited for this. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and make some sugar cookies. This is the recipe that I found 2 years ago, I think, that I really like. They come out and they're soft and chewy. That's what I like. I don't like crunchy cookies unless I'm eating Chips Ahoy. So I got everything out that I need. So let's get started. Alright, so I just put them in the oven for 7 minutes. I just like to check on them because I want to make sure they come out and they'll be soft and chewy. And I'll do the rest of these soon, and then we will go from there. Alright guys, so we did sugar cookies today. We are gonna lay down and I hope I can get a nap. I'm just so beat today. I didn't sleep super good. I tossed and turned. I woke up a lot throughout the night, so we're gonna see if I could get a nap. And we'll see if I do anything else later tonight. Otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow, and we plan to do gingerbread cookies, and then I also really want to make fudge, so we'll see if we do both, but definitely the gingerbread cookies. So stay tuned for that, and if I don't come back tonight, then I will see you in the morning.